Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3.
My name is Marius, and my grade is the 4th grade.
My name is Emma.
I'm Barb, and I'm a school bus driver.
What does the yellow lights on a bus mean?
It means
They should evacuate.
flash the headlights.
Just flash them with the headlights, right? And flash them right back.
Slow down.
The stop sign on a bus, what should people do?
Stop.
They should stop because a kid is proceeding to get on that bus.
And how many times in a month would you say someone runs that stop sign on the side of your school bus?
I would say every day I drive, there's somebody that is going to go through a stop sign.
So pop quiz, how long can people go to jail for if they run a stop sign on a bus and there's kids present?
Good question. I'm not sure on that one.
500 years.
500 years? How about 1 year? Do you know that they could go to jail for up to a year?
Yeah.
You knew that? Okay. What about someone who's in their car looking at their phone and not paying attention and just going right by kids on the street? Is that safe?
That's not safe, but one time my mom did that. My dad told my mom to stop.
Ooh, you just narked out your mom. What do you think about people who drive cars and don't stop for stop signs on the bus?
To crash into it.
They could crash into it. What about kids around the bus?
To get hurt.
What if there's a divider with like concrete and stuff like that?
Kids are unpredictable. I would still stop.
You're just on the side of safety.
If there's a cement divider, only the people that are on my side of the cement divider need to stop. If there's no cement divider and it's a 4-lane like Pilot Knob is, then everybody needs to stop in all 4 lanes.
You heard it from the bus driver herself.